Hello friends, today I'm doing the unboxing of another shoes that I've got lately, and these ones are from eBay, and this is my favorite brand, which is UGG Australia for shoes. Actually one of favorites, but yeah, it's favorite brand. So I've got them on eBay and this is the Kilmer 2 in size 10, and they are water resistant. Here is the box, and let's open them. The box looks like this. Wow, so nice. Here is boot number 1. So this is the Kilmer 2. We also maybe have Kilmer 3, but I'm not sure. And they also have Kilmer with exposed fur, which has fur here. But I've got this model mainly because they remind me of combat boots, which are really in style. And these ones are really cute. They are nice, made from real leather, water resistant. Brown, they look like rustic style, and they have, instead of laces, they have this kind of leather strings, and they are inside. The pro of them is that they are really good quality. Here they are made from, they are here covered with leather, and then inside they have fur, which in many UGG Australia fur runs only to half. I mean, not the traditional, but other kind of boots. They have, like, they, instead of doing fur, they started to put some kind of other insulation. So these ones are good because they have still that fur inside, and they also have it even in this part, which is not so common in shoes like that. And fur looks like this. And even sole has fur and tongue. So as you can see, they are really good quality, and they have here this tag. I got them in size 10, which is, I wear 9.5 or 10, and in classic UGG Australia I wear 9. So this one are in size 10, and they have nice heel. Here it says UGG. Here they have this kind of reinforcement, and here you have some stitching, and here looks like this. And this one is from rubber, this part. And here it says UGG, and here it says that they have sock lining 100% wool, sock lining backing is polyester. They made in Vietnam, and the real fur from lamb they have, lamb. So they are really cute, and they were new for sale, and they have nice zipper, which is really sturdy. And it says nothing on it, just this kind. like this. Nice. This zipper goes really kind of small. So yeah, this part is from leather, and it has authenticity sign, and it's authentic from eBay, and they are a little bit narrow, this style, so I recommend sizing half size or one size, half or one size up, because they are narrow in this part. Okay, I try them on. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed such unboxing. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for my channel. And also hit the notification bell. So see you in the next video. Bye.